Welcome to Tim's Tips. Today we're going to look at new functionality that's been introduced to the housekeeping module. First of all, I want to be in our administration module. And what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the housekeeping settings area. The first thing that you're going to notice when you come into this particular screen is some additional checkboxes. The first one that we want to take a look at is we want to have the ability to display permissions to maintenance so that they can enter a particular room. When doing so, this activates permission levels in the mobile capabilities, but it also goes ahead and offers the opportunity to show those on a housekeeping report as well too. The second thing that we wanted to take a look at is housekeeping out of order. You'll notice now that there is a limit as far as the search capabilities are concerned. The limit now has been restricted to 365 days for a maximum search limit. There's been a new setting that again has been added in the housekeeping default settings that allows you to mark a room dirty at the time of check-in. Traditionally in Chorum, a room is not marked dirty until you have run your end of day. You can now check a box and set a setting so that when a guest checks in, the status of that particular room will immediately change to dirty. In our reporting section for housekeeping, you will notice that we now have a new housekeeper cleaning log. Additionally, when our room assignment report, you'll see some additional checkboxes, including one to show special requests only when you go in and you run your housekeeper's report. Also too, addition of a next arrival column to housekeeping has been added to the room assignment report. And you'll see that on the second line of the header where it says next arrival. Also in the housekeeping out of order report, you'll notice additional fields have been added to the out of order grid. You'll see a date timestamp now for created date, as well as the last date that has been updated. We've hoped you've enjoyed this session of Tim's Tips. Stay tuned for additional Tim's Tips coming in the near future.